I'm Jaden from Penni Cart, and in today's video, we're going to go over setting up your cart page using our pre-made components. Let's dive in.
Let's go through creating your cart page using some of our pre-made components. So the first step is I'm going to make my way over to the Penni Cart cart page. And then I'm going to start to add in some of the layout and structure that we need before we add in the components. So first I'm going to add in a div block. I'm going to give this a class of wrapper. And then I'm going to add in my nav bar. Awesome. And I'm going to add in another div block with a class of main wrapper. And inside this div block, I'm going to add another one. And I'm going to give this a class of section underscore cart. Inside this cart, I'm going to add a padding global and attach padding section large to it as well. Inside padding global, I'm going to add container large, another div block. And inside the container large, I'm going to have a div and give this a class of 2 grid. Now what this does is it just creates a 2x1 grid for me, so 2 columns and 1 row. And inside this, I'm going to add a div block. I'm going to give this a class of cart underscore products. And beside it, I'm going to add another div block. I'm going to give this a class of cart underscore summary. Perfect. Now once I have that basic structure set up for how I'm looking for, I'm going to select the cart products, and I'm going to open up the Penni Cart app. At the very bottom, we have our components. I'm going to scroll down until I get to cart components. Now we have products and order summary. These are the 2 main components in order to make the cart page work. So I'm going to select products. I'm going to paste that into cart underscore products. I'm going to do the same with order summary and cart underscore summary. Perfect. So that's all of the components that we needed to add onto the cart page, but now we have the opportunity to go in and style and kind of make it match your brand a little bit more. For example, my navigation comes down, you can see it starts to cut things off as we have a black animation that kind of goes on the background. So I'm going to add in some more padding. So for section cart, I'm just going to add in, I'm going to add in a spacer. So add a div block. I'm going to give this a class of spacer large. I'm going to bring this above the container. Now we kind of have enough space to work with here. Okay, great. So now as we can see, if we hover on different elements and adjust things, the style isn't quite matching. There's a lot of red. We have this kind of neon green going on for this client. So I'm going to restyle this to make it match the brand's color a little bit better. Now that we've styled the cart page to look and match our brand's feel, we don't need to do any further actions as all of the attributes are already pre-applied as we've copied it directly from the Penni Cart app. So your cart page is ready to go.